Hey, Cameron, what does a elephant say? Yeah. What does a duck say? What? What's a duck say? Yeah. What does a frog say? Yeah. What does a monkey say? Yeah. Ooh, what does a cow say? Yeah. What does a bird say? Tweet, tweet, tweet. What does a fart say? What's a... Okay. Oh, yeah, what's a dog say? What's a dog... What? What does a kitty cat say? Can you call the kitty cat? Good job. Where are we going today? Are we going to the zoo? Cameron. Are we going to the zoo? Yes? Can you say dad?
Dad.
Can you say mom?
Mom.
Good job.